Now I'm going to discuss integration of under root a square plus x square dot dx is equals to x by 2 under root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus under root a square plus x square. Now integration of under root a square minus x square is equals to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. Now integration of under root x square minus a square is equals to x by 2 under root x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus the root x square minus a square. I'm going to tell you, but before that let me tell you what is the integration of a to the power x with respect to dx is equal to a to the power x divided by log a. Now we are going to discuss